how to edit a TikTok video, watch this video till the end. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now click on the plus icon at the bottom center. Here, either record a new video or upload one from your gallery. Once selected, click on Edit. Here, choose Edit, and you can split your video to remove the unwanted parts or adjust the speed to make it faster or slower. You can also select Crop and adjust the frame and hit Save to apply the change. Then go back and click on Songs to add background music that matches your video. Furthermore, click on Effects. Here you can explore and apply various effects that enhance your video. Lastly, tap the arrow icon to move forward. Finally, hit Post to share your edited video with your followers. And that's all. I hope this video helped.